Classic look, modern soul. What happens when BMW reimagines one of their most beloved airheads for today's roads? Meet the 2026 BMW R65. Retro-inspired, road-ready, and smoother than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 BMW R65, a modern revival of the iconic boxer twin that made waves in the 80s. It's got that old-school spirit wrapped in new-school tech, and yes, it's just as cool as it sounds. Design. Starting with the design, BMW blends retro elegance with modern craftsmanship. Round LED headlights, a sculpted tank with vintage lines, spoked wheels, and a slim rear subframe. It's minimalist without cutting corners. It feels like a nod to the past with just the right amount of modern muscle. Performance. The R65 is built by a new 650cc air and liquid-cooled boxer twin, producing around 60 horsepower. It's not built for the track. It's made for pure, effortless riding. The low-end torque is smooth, the throttle response is crisp, and every ride feels natural, confident, and connected. Features and technology. Despite its retro vibe, the tech is completely current. A clean digital analog hybrid display gives you all the info you need without clutter. You get ride modes, traction control, ABS, and even heated grips standard. Optional Bluetooth connectivity and built-in navigation keep things convenient on longer rides. Conclusion: the 2026 BMW R65 isn't about speed, it's about soul. It's designed for riders who value simplicity, engineering excellence, and that unmistakable boxer charm. What do you think? Would you ride this modern classic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, share it with a fellow rider, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more moto content, old and new. See you next time.